Hello everyone. Today I'm marinating some chicken wings. So ingredients that I've used is chicken seasoning, coriander. I just use a teaspoon of each. Black pepper. You can use coarse or fine. And I ran out of sea salt, so I have the ordinary, table salt. It's fine. So yeah, those are the ingredients. I've already added them to the chicken, and I've added an onion. I forgot one more ingredient, and that was garlic. That's garlic. And we will need one more. Must not forget. We're gonna need some lemon. A squeeze of lemon in there. Gives a really good, nice taste. Yeah, guys, when you marinate your chicken, I'm sure some of you do, it just gives it that extra flavor. Now sometimes this has actually it doesn't matter if the seeds go in, tendency to throw seeds in there, but yeah, just squeeze, good amount, that's enough, not too much, just as you saw, a little bit to give it that balance, that taste that you want. So yeah, this is gonna be placed into the fridge, and I'll head out. I'm gonna go out in the garden, do some watering in the courtyard while this marinades in the fridge. So yeah, everything is marinated together, mixed together. Just wash my hands, some soap, and I hope you guys will enjoy. Have a go and enjoy.